Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Mishak Mate. So today I simply want to talk about the history of USA and what President Trump is doing now to South Africa. We know very well that in 2020, that was 2001 when USA accused Iraq of having like dangerous weapons that are a threat to humans, or rather mass destruction. So that was another way of USA to just attack Iraq, because they didn't like the likes of Osama bin Laden and many other leaders. So what we see now with South Africa, you can see that Trump wants a reason to can control, or rather attack South Africa, because when you check, Cyril Ramaphosa went to the USA with the likes of DA leaders, which is Steenhuisen, and he also went there with the businessman Rupert, just to convince President Trump to say, you know what, there is no white genocide in South Africa. We are just dealing with the issue of crime, and what you see in the reports is basically misinformation. But Donald Trump refused to believe the delegation that was sent, or that. So by Donald Trump refusing to believe Cyril Ramaphosa and the delegation that went there to convince him in the USA, it goes to show that the USA is fully aware that there is no genocide in South Africa, but they want to make it as if there is a genocide in South Africa, and also to make us stop pursuing that ICJ case of Palestine and Israel, because you know very well that USA, or rather Donald Trump, is friends with the Israels. So it is quite evident, guys, that like Donald Trump, like USA is well informed, and even their intelligence like is on another level, you know. So there's no way that they wouldn't know that in South Africa there is no genocide. We just have an issue with crime, because it's not like the crime in South Africa only affects white people, or rather Afrikaners. There, like, there are a lot of people, black people, who are dying every day as a result of crime in South Africa. So even though that of white people is just as a result of crime, that I believe we're failing to deal decisively as a country with it, you know. Because when you check, almost, I think I was watching the stats by the police minister. I think those numbers are very shocking. It is as if there is a war in South Africa with the manner in which people are dying. You check with Cape Flats in Western Cape, people are dying like flies, you know. So it is a result of crime. But now it seems like Donald Trump has an agenda in South Africa. Maybe I don't know what he wants to achieve with his Elon Musk, but it seems like there is an agenda that is trying to push, so that even if he punish South Africa, his action will be justified, because he's claiming there is white genocide in South Africa. Hey, there's no genocide in South Africa. We live happily with white people, even though we know that they control a majority of this economy, even though they are a minority in South Africa. But we are living in peace with white people, you know. So I don't understand why and where Donald Trump is going with this. So he must just stop. There's no white genocide in South Africa.